Welcome to Switzerland, a land of snowy peaks, smooth chocolate, and stunning precision. Switzerland is located in Central Europe and shares borders with France, Germany, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. It's a landlocked country famous for its mountains, lakes, and neutrality. The capital is Bern, while Zurich and Geneva are major global cities. Switzerland has a population of around 8.8 million. The country has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. Its currency is the Swiss franc, CHF. Switzerland is a federal republic with a unique system of direct democracy. Instead of a single president, the country has a federal council made up of 7 members who rotate leadership. It is famously neutral and not part of the EU or NATO, but is a key member of the UN and home to organizations like the Red Cross and many UN agencies in Geneva. The Swiss landscape is breathtaking. The Alps dominate the south, with peaks like the Matterhorn and Eiger attracting skiers and climbers. The Jura Mountains rise in the northwest, and the Swiss plateau hosts cities, farmland, and lakes. Lake Geneva and Lake Lucerne are among the most scenic. Switzerland is also home to pristine forests, glaciers, and protected national parks. Swiss culture reflects a blend of German, French, and Italian traditions. It's famous for punctuality, cleanliness, and quality. Traditional clothing includes items like lederhosen and dirndls in alpine regions. The Swiss celebrate festivals like Fastnacht, Carnival, and Alpabfahrt, the descent of cows from the mountains in autumn. Fun fact: Switzerland has more than 1,500 lakes, and you're never more than 16 kilometers from one. Swiss cuisine is rich and comforting. Cheese is central. Think fondue and raclette. Chocolate is world-renowned, with brands like Lindt and Toblerone. Rosti, a crispy potato dish, is a national favorite. Each region adds its own flavors, with French-speaking areas offering fine pastries and Italian areas serving pasta and risotto. Sports are a huge part of life in Switzerland. Winter sports like skiing, snowboarding, and ice hockey are dominant. The country hosts world-class ski resorts like Zermatt and St. Moritz. Switzerland also shines in tennis, with stars like Roger Federer. Hiking and mountain biking are popular in the summer months. Tourism in Switzerland offers something year-round: snowy mountains, peaceful villages, scenic train rides, and charming old towns. Whether you're drawn by the Alps, the chocolate, or the calm and order, Switzerland will steal your heart. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.